In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Squarespace's new SEO Checker tool. And I actually have like a real life client here with me today. We just did a Squarespace refresh on their website. So they've had a Squarespace website for a while, and I just kind of jumped in and did some new little things here and there.
Yeah.
And now it's live and we're ready to bump up that SEO a little bit. And so I want to introduce you to Christina of Renaissance Marketing Group here with me today.
Yes, I'm so excited. Yeah, Catherine's just kind of been able to like jump in and have so much knowledge in the Squarespace capacity. So really excited to kind of learn this next tool and how, we're able to take it to the next level.
Yes. And so as I've always said, like your website should be something that you're always evolving. And I love teaching clients like how to use their website rather than just having me like one time fix it and then it just kind of sits stagnant for a while.
Right.
So I love sharing with clients and with you watching like how can you, as you continue to add to your site, make sure that it is SEO friendly as you do that.
Love.
And just a little plug for Renaissance. They are a Nashville-based social media content creation marketing company. So keep them on your radar. Follow them on Instagram, the podcast, all the things.
That's so sweet.
Yes.
Yeah. So exciting. Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay, so when you are on Squarespace, things move around all the time. So if you're not seeing exactly what I'm seeing on my screen, I recommend just using the search tool and just searching for SEO to get you there. Right now, you can either find it under website, SEO, AI visibility, or under the little settings tab, under marketing, under SEO appearance, we can get to where we need to go. So the first thing that's going to pop up is just what shows up in search. Like if I were to search Renaissance Marketing Group, this is the description that would come up. And so we were talking about this in the last video. If you watched that, we want to include the name of the company, Renaissance Marketing Group, Nashville, since that's where you guys are based, digital marketing agency, and they help people grow their businesses. So we communicate all of that in there, but that's where that lives if you want to edit that. We're just going to close and accept that for now. And we can see that the website is currently 15% complete for their SEO. So we need to bump that up a little bit. And I want to show you just how easy it is to do this. So I'm going to click on Pages with Metadata. It says 17 are missing. So it's going to scan all of the pages on your website. And it's going to take the content that is on the page and just suggest a description for it.
Okay.
So you can see now we have all 17 of those pages here. You can go through and just say, cool, next. Or you can actually like read through them and edit them and make sure they make sense for what you're talking about. The other thing it does is it helps you like expand on your page titles a little bit. So page titles need to have like 60-ish characters rather than just like services.
Okay.
So we want to put some keywords in there too. So that's what it's suggesting up here. So make sure those are like in line with what feels right too.
Okay.
So like maybe this one's right, maybe it's not, So go through these and make sure they're right. 17 is actually a lot, so I'm not going to put you on the spot to read all these in this exact moment.
Yes.
But that is how you do that. And you can click into edit, or you can either say like, hey, try again, and you can click regenerate and it will come up with something else. And then we would hit next. The other thing we're going to leave without saving for now.
Yes.
Give you some homework.
Love, yes.
The next thing that we're going to do is look at the images without alt text.
Okay.
So there are 219 images that do not have alt text. So alt text is basically, imagine if your picture showed up on the screen, but maybe somebody was like vision impaired or just couldn't see it, or Google is looking for Google Images keywords. That's what the alt text is for.
Got it.
So we're going to check that out. And again, that is the metadata. Yay. Let's click next.
Okay.
So a lot of these that we're seeing up here are like the actual icon.
Got it.
The Renaissance icon. This one says a young woman with long blonde wavy hair sitting on a beige sofa. So it gets like really detailed. Like what is the picture that is here?
Right.
So you can go in and edit these.
Okay.
Let's see. Like these are just Squarespace. Like you don't need these. These are old that aren't even on the site right now, I don't think.
Yeah. What would you suggest like editing maybe that picture headshot of Kelsey to?
Yes. I would like put her name, put Renaissance Marketing Group.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. If you know where it's used, that might help too, like working on a social media content strategy.
Love. Okay. Yep.
Like, we don't care that she's like really wearing a navy blue sweater.
Right. Right. Yes.
So that is the alt tags, and there's a lot of those. A lot of times, honestly, I'll kind of skim them, and if I see a picture of like Sydney, who's the owner, I'll put her name in there, rather than like a woman.
Yes. Right. Right.
And then I'll just hit save. Like,
Okay.
Cool. That's better than nothing. You know?
Right. Yeah.
So that's the alt tag situation.
Awesome.
And once you do that, well, then it basically is like, cool, your SEO is 100.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay.
And like we talked about in the last video, there's so much more that you can do with SEO than just the metadata and the alt tags. But those are things that are easy to miss when you're just like building and you're in build mode and you're not like, you're thinking, what picture should I put here? Not like, what is the alt text?
Right, right.
So when you get finished creating your website, come to the SEO Checker tool and get that SEO score up.
Cool. That's awesome. Yeah. Thank you.
And I know you guys are doing a new photo shoot.
Yes.
So when you swap out those new photos, come back to this tool and do it again.
Love. That's perfect. Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks.